Hi everyone, in this quick video we're looking at active learning, what it is, why it matters and how it's assessed between weeks 2 and 11 in global careers. Active learning isn't about passively listening in the classroom, it's about contributing, asking questions, sharing insights and building on others' ideas. Every time you engage, you help create a richer learning experience for everyone, including yourself. Your active learning grade for this course is based on how meaningful you participate in your in-person tutorial discussions with your tutor and peers. Here's what that might look like in practice. If you were to receive a high distinction, that would mean you are consistently offering insightful ideas, you're connecting concepts, and you're helping drive the discussion forward. A distinction, you're contributing often with thoughtful, relevant comments and discussion points that add depth. If you're getting a credit, you are participating occasionally. You're coming in and out of your tutorials, but your comments are more general. If you're passing, you are rarely coming into class, you're not contributing that much, and your comments don't really link closely to the topic, nor the learning resources. And if you're not satisfactory, you're not participating at all, you're way off topic, you're not turning up, much of what you're saying has no meaning, and you're not preparing before class or actively building on other people's points. In short, meaningful contributions make a big difference. Active learning isn't about talking the most in the classroom, it's about helping the group think deeply together. It's your chance to practice collaboration, communication, and critical thinking. These are the same skills that employers value in every field. So, from weeks 2 to 11, make your voice part of the learning journey. Prepare, engage with curiosity, respect, and purpose, and you'll see your understanding and your confidence grow. What can go wrong, right? Just turn up, prepare, and be engaged. And remember, stay active in your learning.